Okay, good afternoon, friends. My name is Bright Obonnaya Ndo. We are here today to look at this particular topic. This is indices, and this is exponential equation. Okay, we are going to solve it. Now, look at the step on how you are going to do it. The equation is solve this exponential equation, which says 2 power 2x plus 1 minus 5 open bracket 2 power x close bracket plus 2 equals to 0. Now, for you to solve this equation, what you are going to do is you have to make this particular first number indices side, this first side, to look like this bracket side. You must express this 2 to look like this 2 power x. Now, you should know that in indices, or remember that in indices, if you have 2 power 2x plus 1, it can also be expressed as 2 power 2x times 2 power 1. Because in indices, when you have two numbers like this, when you have two indices, two index number like this, that have the same base, and the sign connecting them is multiplication, all you need to do is you take one of the base and add up their numbers. So this first one will be expressed like this, okay, to be expressed like that. So this is what it will give us. It will give us something like this. We are going to have 2 power 2x times 2 power 1 minus 5 open bracket 2 power x close it plus 2 equals to 0. You know that 2 power 1 is the same thing as 2. So this will give us 2 open bracket 2 power 2x minus 5 open bracket 2 power x plus 2 equals to 0. Now we have this thing like this because 2 power 1 is 2, and you know multiplication can be changed to bracket. So now the next step is now this 2 power, okay, 2 open bracket 2 power x close it, you put the 2 outside, minus 5 2 power x plus 2 equals to 0. If you like, if you see in here, we've been able to express this side to look like here, okay, because over here there is 2x, so you can use bracket to separate it because they are in multiplication, okay. So you now use any alphabet of your choice to replace 2 power x. So you say let k be equals to 2 power x. So whenever you see 2 power x, you replace it with k. So we now have in our equation, we now have 2k square minus 5k plus 2 equals to 0. We are going to use quadratic equation to solve it. Factorization will be more easier for us. This is the way we are going to follow it. When you want to apply factorization, your concentration is on the first, the a and the c, and the a here is 2, c is 2. So you multiply 2 of them, that is 2 times 2, that will give us 4. Then you now look for two numbers. That you are going to multiply, that will give you 4, but when you add them or subtract them, you have 5, and that is 4 and 1. Minus 4 minus 1. If you say minus 4 times minus 1, that will give us plus 4. Then minus 4 minus 1 give us minus 5. So whenever you see 5 minus 5, you replace it with minus 4 and minus 1. So this will give us 2k square minus 4k minus 1k plus 2 equals to 0. So this will now give us We'll factorize this and factorize this. What is common? What is the HCF of 2k square and 4k? We have 2 here, 2 here, k here, k here. So we'll now have 2k, open bracket, k minus 2. Okay, because 2k times k will give us 2k square. 2k times minus 2 will give us minus 4k. So over here we have minus 1k minus 2. Minus 1 times k will give us minus 1k, and minus 1 times minus 2 will give us 2. Okay, we say equals to 0. We pick the outside one and pick one of the inside bracket number. So the outside one is 2k minus 1, which is, that is 2k minus 1, which is for this 2k and this minus 1. We will not pick any of this, which is k minus 2 equals to 0. So we express the 2 in equals to 0. So that will give us 2k minus 1 equals to 0, or comma k minus 2 equals to 0. So k here will give us minus 1 will cross over, it will now change to positive now. So that will give us 1 over 2. Then k will give us 2 for this. Then remember that we said let our k be 2x squared. So remember that k is equals to 2x squared. We have two values of k. The first value of k is 1 over 2 equals to 2 power x. So this 1 over 2 can also be expressed as 2 power minus 1 equals to 2 power x. You should know that in indices, or we know that in indices, when you have two numbers in the same base and the sign connecting them is equals to, the two base will go, then you now equate their powers. So therefore x will give us minus 1. So this is when k is equals to 1 over 2. Then when k is equals to 2, so k is equals to 2x. Then at k equals to 2, it will give us 2 equals to 2 power x. Remember, 2 is the same thing as 2 power 1 equals to 2 power x. We'll cancel the 2 base, so x is 1. Therefore x is equals to 1 or minus 1. That is the final answer for this simple equation. This question always comes out in WAEC. So for those of you that are preparing to write WAEC, NECO, or JAMB, or some level in university, that is like year 1 or year 2, so you have to pay close attention. Even though preparing for junior WAEC, is very, very important you know it. Okay, so if you have any question, you can always drop it on the comment section. My number will always be there. You can contact me. Okay, I will explain more to you where you are not really getting it right. Okay, bye.